Hi, I'm Mrs. Budden. Welcome to the Textiles Room. This is where you'll get to master your skills on the sewing machine and learn lots of ways of decorating your fabric. Our current projects include making a drawstring bag with 3 juggling balls, a cushion project inspired by countries and cultures from around the world, and a bag project that is inspired by artists and designers. You will learn about fibres and fabrics, pattern making, and the importance of textiles products in our everyday lives. You will design and make your projects and then you'll get to take them home at the end of the year.
Hi, I'm Miss Goddard. At GCSE, you have the option to study design and technology with a fibres and fabrics focus. You'll get to gain a range of skills that will help you to make your own clothes and accessories. As well as this, you're gaining in-depth knowledge into fibres and fabrics, their properties, and new and exciting developments in textiles. You'll also have the opportunity to use our specialist equipment that we have, such as the computerised embroidery sewing machines, the laser cutter, the sublimation printer, and even the 3D printer. If textile's your passion, you can then also choose to go on to A-level, where we do a product design, fashion and textiles A-level. That will hopefully lead you into a creative and exciting career where you could become a designer, a stylist, and many more.